Want to learn how to unmute someone on WhatsApp? WhatsApp is a popular messaging program used by millions of people every day. It simplifies our lives whether we are communicating with friends or family. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unmute someone on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp. Select the message you have muted. There you will see a lot of icons on the top of your screen. Tap on Unmute option. So that is how you unmute someone on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.